Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough tour of our 2017 Jaguar XF V6S we have new in stock. I'm just going to run through the specification of this vehicle, just pointing out some of the main standout features on the car. Starting with the exterior, you can see the vehicle is finished in the Italian racing red metallic paintwork and comes with the 20-inch gloss black painted design alloy wheels. The vehicle also comes with the optional heated leather trimmed multi-function steering wheel, the optional electric glass sunroof, the optional lane keep assist including the driver condition monitor, and the optional privacy glass for the rear windows. The Jaguar XF-S comes with a lot of extra features as standard, including the red painted brake calipers, the sports Taurus design leather interior trim, including the S embossed into the head restraints, the adaptive dynamics, the larger braking system, the metal tread plates as you enter the vehicle, the grey veneers with the ebony surrounding, and also the dark Hex Aluminium instrument panel across the centre console area. The vehicle comes with DAB radio as standard, satellite navigation, front and rear parking sensors, as well as plenty of boot space available in the rear, and a lot of extra features you can see as standard visible in the description below. If you'd like to know any more information about this car, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.